Hello friends, you are welcome once again to my channel. Today we are making pancake, and the list of ingredients I use for my recipe today is going to be written at the description box below. I'm going to mix my dry ingredients together before mixing my wet ingredients, then we'll combine it and make our pancake. This is my sugar, my salt, then my baking powder. I'll just mix that in and set that aside. I've already beaten my eggs, so I'm mixing my wet ingredients into a different bowl. Then I'm adding my milk. I'm using 1 cup of milk. That's 1 tin milk. This skimmed milk. If you like, you can use full cream milk. Then my mayonnaise. Just gently pour that in. This dissolved mayonnaise, 1 cup of dissolved mayonnaise. That's half and half. The mayonnaise enhances its flavor, richness, taste, and it also gives the pancake a creamy, light, soft, and airy texture. And that's what makes this pancake fluffy and spongy. I'm using 3 Scotch bonnet pepper, and I already removed the seeds. And here we have it chopped. So I'll firstly pour in my wet ingredients, then gradually add in my dry ingredients. Just mix. Would add half cup of water. I would add half cup of water. Now I'm adding my pepper, so our pancake batter is ready. And one more thing, please be careful not to overmix your batter. So this is perfect. I'm cooking on a very low heat. Grease the pan, pour in the pancake batter, then allow this to cook for about 5 minutes for the bottom part to be ready. You know it's ready when it begins to form bubbles at the top. You know it's ready when you shake your pan and you hear the sound. That is, the pancake easily separates from the pan. That's when you flip it over to the other side and cook this for a lesser time. When making the pancake, you really have to be very patient. Do not be tempted to increase the flame. If not, your pancake will only get burnt and won't get cooked through. I would be cutting these pancakes into smaller sizes and shapes. The pancakes are fluffy and moist. They also look like sponge cake. I hope you will try this recipe at home. Thank you for watching.